My brother.
Yes, Papa.
How are you? Do you know this guy?
Which man?
You used to remember you sold me your pills and whatsoever in November. You are the one, man.
I'm not
It's
the
you,
one,
man.
Papa.
Where's my man? I want my man.
I'm
Give
not
me
the
one
one.
more 1.5, man. It's you, man. I remember you.
So wait, what do you sell?
No, I'm selling that tablets for
Tablets.
Yeah.
Are you a doctor?
Yeah, yes, I'm using the pomut.
You're not answering my question. The question is, are you a doctor?
Yes, for Sangomas.
No, I don't understand that. You are a doctor for Sangomas. How?
Yes, for motive. I sell motive, not
You sell-
doctor. Paul.
Oh, you are a traditional healer.
Yes.
Okay. Where did you twasa?
What is that?
Where did you practice?
No, in my country,
In your country. Where is your country?
in Uganda.
In Uganda. Let's sit. It's fine.
Yes, yes.
Okay, but stand up. Actually, I don't want to sit down. Wait, stand here.
Malia,
I stand here. I'm saying to you, in your
my
country.
money, man.
I don't know
Give
you,
me my
Papa.
man. He said my penis is gonna grow up.
No, I don't know.
Now it's
you.
not growing.
Tell your penis is gonna grow up.
Yes, it's
Hi.
No, I don't know it.
I want my man.
I don't know. I'm serious.
For really,
I
now
don't know.
you see now.
So,
don't know her.
Mamela,
It's
wait. Okay, wait. So when uhlangana kuphi nayo?
Mina ngihlangane naye la.
No, it's my-
Hey, wait.
We met in Chicken Licky.
Yeah.
Which number?
And then when
Which number? No, this number 060.
Imakal. Wait,
Is
Imakal.
it you? You not
Okay,
answering
Imakal.
anymore
When akhuluma namkala, wait. Let me get the story. So wena wahlangana naye like Kempton
now.
Park.
Captain Park Chicken Licky.
And then bofunani kuye wena?
Bengifuna same setup my enlargement.
Enlargement.
Hlangana namanamba nyam.
kakati era abannayuganda abali South Africa ebizu byakwongera kutujjira wuuyo twabajjeeko dro kakati ate nammwe abali South Africa emirimu gimukwata giri mulaini kakati oyo munnayuganda bwe yagenda South Africa yasalawo kutunda ddagala likwongera ku
maanyi
nvimba likwongera amaanyi ate munange
n'owagga bulungi
n'okuwaga n'owagamu bulungi kakati munange oli akwata agadagala agenda akagula akawa omu South Africa
genda okozese
akanywa nga tava mu kifo nga bwe yali
nga yeekubira omulanga
ne poliisi erina ebizibu tyono yaŋŋamba njagejja naye siva mu kifo
bakubuuza obujulizi
naye
ng'otambula
wakikiripe nayagale tukizanye kino kyexplaining abannayuganda bafuluma eggwanga okugenda ebweru emirimu gye bakola ki
gye bakola
nti abantu abasinga abali ebweru ggwanga tebagwanidde kubeera bweru wa ggwanga naye agamba kaŋŋenda ate nkole
njiye
ninga nekyakola kiki ekikola ki
tekikirizibwa
tekigwanidde
ate nga naye mwenye tabinaako experience kuyiiya
nga tugenda mu kalulu amaloboozi gammwe abannayuganda okwongera okusaba wakuteekebwewo emirimu kubanga omuwendo gw'abannayuganda mangi ogufuluma nga gugenze bweru w'eggwanga naye ng'ate ne gye bagenze
tebalina na garanti nti baba naafuna emirimu
tegedde bulungi kalujja kusanga nga bamukwata talina na zaalooya bwe bamala ate okumuta ate ne bamudipooti nga n'akomawo ekampala naddayo we yakoma era wakola ki
watandikira
era nga watandikira kale